Hello, my name is Sandy and welcome to my channel. This is a lifestyle channel and over here I do all things home decor. I do cooking vlogs, I do thrift hauls, shopping hauls, and cooking and some DIYs. So if that's something you're interested in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave today. Now today, what I'm going to be doing is participating in a collab. And this is an open collab and it's called the Wood Entertaining and Decorating Ideas. And this collab is to pay homage to the element of wood. And the host of this challenge are Gigi at Gigi Faison, Juanis House, and Shawni on the spot. And as always, I would like to thank these lovely hosts. I'll be linking their channels in the description box below, as well as the link to the playlist so that you can check out what wood elements they're going to be sharing today, as well as all of the participants. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope that you enjoy what I'm sharing for this video. All right, so what these ladies asked us to do is to decorate a bar, a coffee table, a side table, using the elements of wood. Now, this table, I have to laugh to myself because this table has been all of that at some point or another. And that's the wonderful part about wood. It is so very durable. You can paint it and make it work for whatever you need. So case in point, this table started off, it was a thrifted table, and it was purple. At the time, I had a purple kitchen. So I used this in my kitchen as a side table. It held my coffee station at one point. I had it as a candy station at one point. Then I painted it navy blue and silver, and I had it as an entryway table. And then I used it as a side table in the family room. It's been everywhere, guys. Seriously. Most recently, I've painted it white and black and brought it to my office when I changed my colors in here. And so this is what it is today. And as you can see on the table, first of all, the table is made of wood, obviously, but I have these candlesticks here that are also made of wood. When I picked them up, they were from the thrift store. They were brown, a dark brown color, and I painted them black to match with my decor. I've got these wooden, this wooden garland here, and I've got a small little globe that says "See the World," and it has a wooden base. So as you can tell, I do enjoy my wood. And then I just have a plant there and a decorative book. Beneath this table, I've decided that since it's in my office now, I need it to be functional space. So I put two little storage bins here that I will be filling up. I didn't do it before filming this video because I didn't want you to see all the junk that I put in there, but trust and believe it will be full of stored items right after this video. So this is what I put together. I'm going to share some clips if I can find them of how I transformed this little table if you're interested. But I thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you were inspired. And don't forget to stop by the lovely host channels and show them some love. And I hope to see you back over here on my next video. Bye-bye.